the Consulate General's house to celebrate Finnish design and introduce Secto to the design community of New York and the United States.
Global Lighting curates a beautiful collection, and for them to be able to introduce Secto, I think is brilliant.
They feel natural, organic, and they feel like they can fit in any setting.
The clean lines and the well thought out ergonomics of it all.
As designers, as Americans, it's hard to find out where these fixtures, these beautiful things are coming from.
Bringing Secto Design to the U.S. allows us to provide architects solutions that they've never had before.
Secto is introducing us to a mixture of materials that most people wouldn't put together. The simply cut wood with the powder-coated metal, very luxe, curvaceous, and to get to see it just open up the way that it does to reveal the light ambient and otherwise, quite lovely.
All the designers in Finland are thought to be looking to solve problems, and when I started thinking of designing the first Secto, I realized that at that time no one else was doing lamps out of wood, so that there is this transparency and image of building spaces.
It's important for design to be sustainable, and what's so unique is that these designs were designed over 10 years ago and are still very much classics. In fact, they're even more important today, and there's more demand than ever before.
It's amazing that it's actually been around as long as it has because it looks so fresh and new. It's really a testament to really great Finnish design.
Finnish design is something I've been following since college, Aalto, Saarinen, and it's great to be introduced to a new company that's still following in those footsteps of very clean, sophisticated, yet green design.
I work for Secto Design as the export manager. My role at the company is to work with all our representatives around the world and to find new partners to work with in new areas. I love to work at Secto. Tula, the owner of Secto, is one of the most inspiring people I've ever met, and I've learned so much from her. Actually, the reason why we are here is that during One to Design at Spring, I met the Consul General. He came up to our booth and started talking because they have our lights at the consulate, and he was very eager to also have the lights in his apartment. We came up with this idea that we could organize this event to celebrate not only Secto Design but also Finnish culture and Finnish food, and because the apartment is such a great place, starting from Eliel Saarinen's furniture going to Alvar Aalto and now also including Secto Design. So I really think it's a nice flow through the history of Finnish design.
I was first introduced to the brand at the Want to Design fair. They sparked my curiosity and I just fell in love with the brand.
It's quite interesting to me to see these fixtures, which are designed by an architect to contain space, the way a tree occupies space.
There's definitely interest in using woods and more organic materials, and I like the way that they're mixed. It's still very clean line.
It's amazing. It's clean, it's functional, but it's timeless always.